The way that we're going to do this is using something called the right hand rule. So you'll want to follow along with me a little bit with your right hand. The right hand rule can be used for every single cross product that you ever encounter. And the way to remember it is you put the letters in order, X, Y, and Z, and then you draw yourself a little X, Y, Z coordinate axes, right? X, as usual, goes on the horizontal axis, Y goes on the vertical axis, and then Z comes out of the board at you. And then you put the letters in alphabetical order, X, Y, X cross Y equals Z, and you can use your right hand and your fingers in the same order to build a little coordinate system that you can carry around with you. So the way this works here is, and forgive me because I may be mirrored from you, so you should get your own hand ready and kind of follow along, is you put your thumb in the X direction, which is to the right. You put your first finger in the Y direction, which here is upwards. And then your remaining fingers will point perpendicular out of the screen at you. And now you can see that you can kind of rotate this little picture around, and no matter which direction these two vectors are, your remaining fingers will always point perpendicular to them, revealing to you the direction of the cross product. One important thing that you have to keep in mind here is that you always have to put your original vectors tail to tail, right? You can't put them head to tail or the cross product won't quite give you the right answer. So you always want to put the vectors tail to tail and then put the first vector in the direction of your thumb, the second vector in the direction of your next finger, and then your remaining fingers in the direction of the result of the cross product. So it is X, Y, and Z.